Hello everybody, welcome to another video. Now in this video, I have something exciting to show you guys. I'm actually going to show you guys how to set up GPT-2, how to train the model using a large text file. Now in this video, I have found a text file online and it has William Shakespeare sonnets, every one of his works on one text file. The goal of this video is to use GPT-2's model, it's a transformer model, to train William Shakespeare's work so that when we type something, it will finish it and it will sound like William Shakespeare. So we have this link here. This is the William Shakespeare thing I was telling you guys about, and this will be linked in the description. I'm going to copy it right here. I'm going to open up a notepad. Right, we're going to open up a notepad. We're going to paste it into our notepad. Right, and we're going to save it as... Going to delete this right there and just call it data.txt, and we're going to make sure before we save it, see the encoding here, it has to be this UTF-8. Then I'm going to save it here. Right, I already have one, so I'm just going to replace it. I'm going to close this here. So now we're going to open up our code over here, and we're going to make sure that you click on this folder thing so it expands like this. I'm going to open up I'm gonna open up the directory where I saved that data file. So I believe it's in downloads. So we're gonna go to downloads right now. So we're gonna take this file here. We're gonna drag it. We're gonna take it and drag it to right here, and click on OK. As you can see, it saved our data.txt here. So now we could close that. As long as you named it data.txt and you saved it with the same encoding, this should work. So now all we have to do is play right here first. Let this run. You know it's finished working when this thing stops spinning. All right, so this part is done, no errors. So we're going to click on this part of the code now. Let it run. Once it's finished, it should stop. So this part of the code is actually training the model. So this might take some time. So it's probably going to take like 15 to 20 minutes. It might take more. It depends on how powerful your PC is. So let this finish. All right, so it's finished. So we can test it out. So now we can test it out. To test it out, we have to first make sure that everything's saved properly. Go here to output folder. And if you see all this here, that means it worked. You want all these files here. You want the vocab, tokenizer, special token, this especially PyTorch underscore model .bin. That's the actual model. You want to make sure all these is here. And if you guys get errors and you can't get it to work, leave a comment in the description of this video and I'll try to help you guys troubleshoot the problem. This next cell is actually going to test out the code to see if it actually worked. All right, so the way it works is right here under the input text. This is the string that it's going to ask the model to reply to. So this string, to be or not to be, it's going to ask the model for a response. So basically it worked. it did work. It said, I am not a man, nor a woman, nor a child, but a living thing. I have no love, no fear, neither fear nor death. For I have not the love of my life, for I love my death. So that is definitely so it definitely sounds like William Shakespeare. So it did work. So it's pretty cool. So you guys could pretty much do whatever you want with this. So you can use any text that you want. You can convert PDFs into text, and then make sure you save it in the notepad under that encoding that I showed you earlier. And this will pretty much work with anything. It doesn't have to be William Shakespeare. And make sure you call the text file that you use data.txt. So if you're going to retry this, you want to make sure you delete right here. So if you're going to retry this and you want to use another text file, make sure you delete everything, including the text file. Delete this, and then delete everything in the output folder. Then you can restart this and redo it again. But you'll have to save a new .txt file over here. So now you have a fully trained model that you can use right here. This .bin is the actual model. All right, guys, so this is pretty much it. If you guys like this video, please give it a like. If you want more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. I'm Rustin from RosmarTech.com, and thank you guys for watching.